Hi guys, so for this video I am using my Makeup Geek eyeshadows and then this one Coastal Scents eyeshadow. I just have it in like a Z palette here, and I used my, well, I'm debuting my POMIbyLyric lashes, and the style that I'm wearing is called Popular Kid. So I'm wearing Popular Kid today in this video. Really hope you guys enjoy this. I'll have, if anything is up or anything like that, I'll link it in the description bar below, so please stay tuned to the description bar below, as well as I have a huge announcement regarding my makeup class in Jamaica for this year, November. Good news, huge announcement, good news. Alright, so yeah, that's just basically it, and this is a collaboration with my bubble Omabelle. Since she contacted me, I've been watching her videos, and let me tell you, both of us, we have like transformation videos, you know what I mean? Like, y'all know what my face looks like without makeup, and she beats her face to a pulp. Girl, how you doing? She is so good with that brush. Her makeup is flawless. She bad. She bad. And I be a bad girl me I collab with from the other day, if you don't recognize her. But yeah, she bad her thing up, and I want to thank her for doing a collaboration with me. Please go and check out her YouTube channel and show some love, show some support on her Instagram, Twitter, you know, just show some love to my girl Omabelle from Omabelle TV. All that does. I beard just a put on the word. But yeah, so that's basically it. This is basically it for this intro. As I said, I'll have links in the description bar below. God, I'm out of breath, you guys, and I've just been talking for like 2 minutes. But I'll have links in the description bar below, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye. No, enjoy the video.
To God be the glory. God bless you. How I go on, man?
Me don't know the idea.
So man, I lose the meds. Yo, sick in the med, them want some meds. Don't Jamaica. DJ. Chickadee. Boy, you say him sharper than a guillotine, cause him bleach him face, it tattoo on him skin again. Hey, bag a woman now when him leave them still a scream. Boy, show off because the house up on the hill of fame. Them mind don't even know them pillar clean, you see. Them and the devil gang up on a bill team.
I don't for them, I say them clean when them touching on the scheme.
Them all dirty like a country train.
Them you just chop with them gun. When that busted a be like done. Even baby blood they make run. Then they laugh with you like a phone. Hope you laugh when your time come. Judgment if you God you never run. Chances are your life me soon done. Jesus I can't run.
It's time to hold the place and run. We know you see this time. We ready when you're ready from a pimmy time. Once beside the name, I put the tickets high. You know I'm ticket high.
Yo, animals won't give me a fraction. God man have to take some action. Sparta, you a big distraction. Every demon must get sanctioned. Which crowd them a try make here with? Satan me no want spend a day with. Fame touch you and now you a ball out. Just natural locks, just fall out.
Living on the last days, tell them this a sign and wonder. Man I lose the meds, I make them mind a wonder. You my mind a wonder how them cannot find another. And some big man of nature for all 9 and under. Now Jamaica I wonder what kind of man that. Oh you fish shoot a 4-year-old when he's a minor one that. We tell them stop it and them go like say them sign a amber. We burn demons, beg you underline that.
Anytime to hold the place I want, we know you see this time. We're ready when you're ready from a pimmy time. Once beside the nail, I put the tickets high. We know I'm ticket high. Anytime to hold the place I want, we know you see this time. We're ready when you're ready from a pimmy time. Once beside the nail, I put the tickets high. We know I'm ticket high.
Life She crazy. Listen, yeah. Hard for walk straight in a world where so crooked. Hard to be honest when nobody not looking. Why work the honest way while them a do evil over there? So wanna collect peace. So righteousness man a seek. Who the wicked man a prosper for them way me not go do it. Shine my light bright, let them see it. Put my faith in a Jesus, come not sleep. So me make my fire burn, so me make my fire burn. Make my fire burn, light up, hey, make my fire burn, so me make my fire burn. Make my fire burn, light up. I am see the wicked man a roll deep. That's right, the God man pocket pan slow leak. Them them I enjoy the finer designer things. I reap the riches and none of them not so feet. So me give thanks to my earnings, keep my light a shine, fire burning from the mistakes me ever learning. Now watch the wealth of the wicked when me serve him, shine bright from the narrow path. No me not turning. Righteousness man I seek, with the wicked man I prosper for them way me not go do it. Shine my light bright, let them see it. Put my faith in that Jesus, God not sleep. So me make my fire burn, so me make my fire burn. Make my fire burn, light up, hey, make my fire burn, so me make my fire burn. Make my fire burn, light up, anything the Father asks me, I got the load in a me coming like a charter taxi. When Satan come fi harass me can't cover than that the blood them can't attack me. In a world when I care about morals, make the fire burn, gosh, give them more God, as them more fresh the start of the earth. I live without Jesus Christ and the party I go burn. Righteousness man I seek, with the wicked man I prosper for them way me not go do it. Shine my light bright, let them see it. Put my faith in that Jesus, God not sleep. So me make my fire burn, so me make my fire burn. Make my fire burn, light up, hey, make my fire burn, so me make my fire burn. Make my fire burn, light up, life me nah go sell my soul for no silver or gold. Hey, Jesus take control of my life. Hey, I will lift my eyes unto you, give my life unto you. Righteousness man I seek, with the wicked man I prosper for them way me not go do it. Shine my light bright, let them see it. Put my faith in that Jesus, God not sleep. So me make my fire burn, so me make my fire burn. Make my fire burn light.